Breaking news in the world of health insurance. With skyrocketing medical costs and an uncertain economy, it's more critical than ever to have the right coverage. As of 2023, the average American is paying over $7,000 per year in health insurance premiums. With the rise of technology, companies like Google and Amazon are now offering innovative health insurance solutions. In this video, we'll be comparing the best health insurance plans on the market. With exclusive insights and shocking revelations, you won't want to miss this. We'll be diving into the world of finance and investment to help you make the best decision for your health and wallet. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and updates on finance, investment, and insurance. If you're looking for the best health insurance plans, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest developments. With new videos every week, you'll never miss a beat. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing you with the most accurate and unbiased information. From Apple to Tesla, we'll be covering the latest trends and innovations in the world of health insurance. To understand the current state of health insurance, we need to take a step back and look at the history of the industry. In the early 2000s, health insurance was a relatively simple concept, with most people receiving coverage through their employers. However, as the years went by and medical costs began to rise, the industry became more complex. The Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, was passed in 2010 and made significant changes to the health insurance landscape. As of 2022, over 30 million Americans have gained health insurance coverage under the ACA. With the rise of the gig economy, more and more people are seeking individual health insurance plans. Fast forward to today, and the health insurance industry is more competitive than ever. With companies like UnitedHealthcare, Anthem, and Cigna offering a wide range of plans, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. According to a recent survey, over 70% of Americans are confused about their health insurance options. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll be comparing the best health insurance plans on the market, including their pros and cons, costs, and coverage options. From HMOs to PPOs, we'll break down the different types of plans and help you make an informed decision. Now here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that some health insurance plans can save you thousands of dollars per year? For example, a study by the Kaiser Family Foundation found that people who switched to a more affordable health insurance plan saved an average of $2,400 per year. But that's not all. Some plans also offer additional benefits like dental and vision coverage, gym memberships, and even wellness programs. As of 2023, the average cost of a gym membership is over $100 per month. With the right health insurance plan, you can save money and get access to these benefits and more. But what about the different types of health insurance plans? HMOs, PPOs, and EPOs, what's the difference? And which one is right for you? In this section, we'll be breaking down the pros and cons of each type of plan. For example, HMOs often have lower premiums but may have more limited provider networks. PPOs, on the other hand, offer more flexibility but may have higher premiums. According to a recent study, over 60% of Americans prefer PPOs due to their flexibility. As of 2022, the average cost of an HMO plan is around $400 per month, while the average cost of a PPO plan is around $600 per month. Now, let's talk about some of the top health insurance companies on the market. Companies like Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna, and Humana offer a wide range of plans and have a strong reputation for customer service. But which one is the best? In this section, we'll be comparing the different companies and their offerings. For example, Blue Cross Blue Shield has a network of over 90,000 doctors and hospitals, while Aetna has a strong focus on wellness programs and preventive care. As of 2023, over 100 million Americans are covered by Blue Cross Blue Shield. But that's not all. We'll also be discussing some of the newer, more innovative health insurance companies on the market. Companies like Oscar Health and Bright Health are offering unique plans and benefits that are designed to appeal to a younger demographic. For example, Oscar Health offers a free fitness tracker and personalized health coaching, while Bright Health offers a $0 copay for certain preventive services. According to a recent study, over 70% of millennials prefer health insurance plans with wellness benefits. As of 2022, the average cost of an Oscar Health plan is around $300 per month. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is showing most people completely miss: the importance of network providers. Did you know that some health insurance plans have limited provider networks, which can make it difficult to find a doctor or hospital that's covered? But other plans have extensive networks with thousands of providers to choose from. For example, United Healthcare has a network of over 1 million providers, while Cigna has a network of over 500,000 providers. As of 2023, over 50% of Americans prefer health insurance plans with large provider networks. In this section, we'll be diving deeper into the world of health insurance and exploring some of the latest trends and innovations. From telemedicine to artificial intelligence, the health insurance industry is rapidly evolving. For example, companies like Teladoc and American Well are offering virtual doctor visits and online health coaching. According to a recent study, over 70% of Americans prefer virtual doctor visits due to their convenience. As of 2022, the average cost of a virtual doctor visit is around $50. But what about the cost of health insurance? With premiums rising every year, it's more important than ever to find an affordable plan. In this section, we'll be comparing the costs of different health insurance plans and exploring ways to save money. For example, did you know that you can save up to 50% on your health insurance premiums by switching to a more affordable plan? As of 2023, the average cost of a health insurance plan is around $500 per month. According to a recent study, over 60% of Americans are struggling to pay their health insurance premiums. Now, let's talk about some of the best health insurance plans for specific groups of people. For example, what are the best plans for self-employed individuals, or for those with pre-existing conditions? In this section, we'll be exploring the different options and providing recommendations. For example, companies like Freelancers Union and eHealth offer health insurance plans specifically designed for self-employed individuals. According to a recent study, over 50% of self-employed individuals struggle to find affordable health insurance. But not everyone agrees on the best approach to health insurance. Some experts argue that a single-payer system is the way to go, while others believe that a more market-based approach is the answer. In this section, we'll be exploring the different perspectives and debating the pros and cons of each approach. For example, a study by the Journal of the American Medical Association found that a single-payer system could save the U.S. healthcare system over $600 billion per year. As of 2022, over 50% of Americans support a single-payer system. As we continue to explore the world of health insurance, it's clear that there are many different approaches and opinions. But what does it all mean for you, the consumer? In this section, we'll be providing practical advice and takeaways on how to navigate the health insurance system and find the best plan for your needs. For example, did you know that you can save up to $1,000 per year by switching to a more affordable health insurance plan? According to a recent study, over 70% of Americans are not taking advantage of health insurance savings opportunities. But what about the future of health insurance? With the rise of technology and the changing healthcare landscape, it's likely that the industry will continue to evolve and innovate. In this section, we'll be exploring some of the latest trends and predictions, and what they might mean for you. For example, a study by Deloitte found that the use of artificial intelligence in health insurance could save the industry over $1 billion per year. As of 2023, over 50% of health insurance companies are investing in AI and machine learning. In conclusion, finding the best health insurance plan is a critical and urgent task that requires careful consideration and research. With the right plan, you can save thousands of dollars per year and get access to quality healthcare. But with so many options and complexities, it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to help you navigate the health insurance system and find the best plan for your needs. Remember to always prioritize your health and well-being, and don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. As we look to the future, it's clear that the health insurance industry will continue to play a critical role in our lives. With the rise of technology and the changing healthcare landscape, it's likely that we'll see new and innovative solutions emerge. But for now, it's more important than ever to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments and trends. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. And don't forget to like and comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you're looking for more information on health insurance or other topics related to finance and investment, be sure to check out our other videos and playlists. We're always here to help and provide you with the most accurate and unbiased information. From Apple to Tesla, we'll be covering the latest trends and innovations in the world of health insurance and beyond. Don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest updates and news.